Good evening, students. Students, how are you? Students, I hope you all are fine at your home. Now, students, we are moving to our next chapter, third chapter, and the chapter third is Exploring Text Paint. Dear students, learning objective of this chapter is that after the completion of this chapter, we are able to draw or develop the creative drawing using through text paint. Now, students, we are moving to the conversation of Dobo and Tobo. Dobo said, I can see two tools in the tool war, and the tools are magic and stamp. What are they for? Means, Dobo said, what is the function of magic and stamp tool? What they do? But these tools, magic and stamp, do in the drawing. Is it something to do with postal stamps that I collect? And magic, very interesting. Can we create magic through text paint? Dear students, Dobo said that can we create a magic through text paint using these two tools, magic and stamp tool? Tobo, no, not at all. These are the two most interesting tools of the tool war. The first is magic and stamp. Then the first is magic tool. The magic tool, the selector bar offers several magical effects. Some of these effects are listed. The first is blind magic tool. This effect, when selected, create a blind in the desired area. The blind can be pulled down or across on the picture or desired area. Now, what are the steps to use the blind effect? Blind effect, firstly, we click on the magic tool from the toolbar. Secondly, from the selector bar, choose the blind tool option, and in the last, put the cursor on the drawing canvas from where we want to pull the blind and drag the mouse. Here now, students, there is activity and you try to do it, this activity. I'm just announcing the name of this activity. Blinds are used on doors and windows. Try to find out the purpose of using blind and also explore if they one used in your school or not. You do it yourself or try to do it yourself. And if you face any problem, then in next video, I'm myself doing this activity and show you. But you try to do it yourself. And the next tool is blur effect. Students, blur, below blind, you will find the blur tab on the toolbar or in the toolbox of the text paint. Students, this effect is used to make the picture or the part of a picture as a blur. Means blur effect is used to make the picture that we create in the text paint, that we create through the text paint on the canvas area, that picture make a blur. Then what are the steps to make our picture blur? The first is click on the magic tool from the toolbar. And second is from the selector bar, choose the blur tool option. And the third is put and drag the cursor on the picture which you want to make a blur. Students, as you have seen in the picture, two pictures are blur. The third one is brick effect. This effect is used to draw or create the brick pattern. The brick balls can be designed using these options. Students, this option is also available on the toolbox of the text paint, and brick is looking as same as the bricks that are used in the construction of the house. So this effect is used to draw or create a brick pattern. The brick balls can be designed using these options. Then here are the steps to use the brick effect in the text paint drawing. The first is click the magic tool from the toolbar. Then go to the selector bar, choose the brick even small size or in the large size. Both options are available. Now click on the third step is put the cursor on the canvas and draw the desired pattern as you like in your drawing, even in small or even the large size. Students, on the next page there is a picture that the two bricks magic effect on one with small size brick and the other is large size brick as you have seen in the picture. Now students, fourth effect is calligraphy effect. On selecting this option, a smooth brush gets activated. Then means the calligraphy effect. What is the function of the calligraphy effect? Means when we click on this tool, then a smooth brush is appear on the canvas area. Then the steps to use the calligraphy. Then the first step is click the magic tool from the toolbar. Then click on go to the selector bar and choose the calligraphy options. Then put the cursor on the canvas and start the drawing. So students, for today that's all, and when we meet in the next video, then I'm showing you in text paint how to use these tools, or means I'm showing you to use these tools through practically in the text paint. So that's all. Okay, bye bye and take care.